So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a stock to your watch list here on RBC Direct Investing. So once RBC Direct Investing is opened up, for example, here on the main screen, if I were to scroll down a little bit to where it says watch list stocks, I have a few stocks to my watch list right here. So for example, I have Silver, CNR, AQN, but these are just examples. Now, if you wanted to add a stock to your watch list, it's fairly straightforward. What I want you to do here is just to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and just for example, you can just go ahead and press on place order for demonstration purposes. Now, once you're here, you don't actually have to place an order, but instead you can search up a stock. So, for example, if you wanted to add, I don't know, RBC Direct Invest or RBC stock, I'll just go ahead and type in RBC right here. We can go ahead and just type in whatever you want. I think the ticker symbol for RBC, if I'm not mistaken, is RY. So I'll just go ahead and do this right now, and I'll go ahead and press on RBC. Now, once that is actually done right here, you can go ahead and just select what you're looking for, but instead, if I wanted to actually add this to my watch list, I'll go to the bottom and press on quotes. Once you're here, as I mentioned before, where it says recent searches, you can just go ahead and type in a RY right here and go ahead and press on it. It'll then bring you to this page where you're on this screen. Now where it says add to watch list sort of in the top left, simply go ahead and press on add to watch list, and then press on watch list stocks here, and then press apply. Once that is done, your changes have been saved. If I were to go back to the home screen right now and then scroll down to my watch list right here, I have now added RBC or ticker symbol RY to the watch list. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add a stock to your watch list here on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.